Hello students, in this class we will start to learn about the object concept in JavaScript. First of all, what is object? Object is nothing but it is compared to a cup because a cup is an object and it has its own properties like their color, design, weight, and the material it is made up of. So that is the same way to declare the object. It so that it has its own properties by their own characters. So object in JavaScript it is used to store the data in different types that is include the string, number, boolean, and also and inside that object we will store the value at key value pair structure. A question will rise to you. What is key value pair? Let me explain what is key value pair. Key value pair is nothing but it is used to denote the identifier of the property, and this key value pair has include the data types like string, number, boolean, object, function, etc. So in this object, we use the key value pairs to declare the values. So now I explain the basic syntax to create an object. So let my object. So create a variable and name that. So if you want to create the object, use the curly braces. Inside the curly braces, you denote the values at the structure of key value pair. So here, open the curly braces. So key one colon value one. That means key value then a pair. So let me show example by using this syntax. Now I open my script.js file. So start to write the program. Let I name that as person. What is the object syntax? The object is right inside the curly braces only. So now I open my curly braces. Inside the curly braces, you write that as key value first format. So now I enter my key first, that is first name as Jasmine. Then I also create my another key value by structure, that is last name. So this is my key colon. Then I enter the value as Mary. So I also need to add another key value pair. So age is my key colon 21. So 21 is an integer, so you don't represent it as the string format. So here I console log it. First name, person dot first name. So this line means console log. I want to display that text first name, and here we call that design value of person dot their first name will show in that format. So then I also console log the last name and the age. I just copy paste it. So open the terminal to run this program. So here this output will show first name as Jasmine, last name as Mary, and the age is 21. So this is the object. So here you can add a new key value pair by using this object. Let me show that example for adding a new property in it. So that that file name person dot I need to add the city in it. So person.city is equal to name any city. So I name that city as Chennai. Then I console log it. So city my variable name person.city. So here now I run this program. See the city Chennai will added. So by using this object property, you can also add a new property in it. And if you want to change that value, you can implement that as the person age. If I want to change the age, person age is equal to 25. Then console log change the age, comma variable declaration name property. So now I run this. See the change age 25 is also displayed in it. So this is the basic concept by using object key value by methods. That's all, students. Uh, we see the array concept in our next class. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!